Bargain Box is celebrating 10 years. Happy birthday, Bargain Box. The team have challenged Alice and I to a mystery Bargain Box challenge. Ooh.
I'm gonna go for the soba noodles.
I'll go tortillas.
Can I please have the chicken?
That means I get the fish.
Cheese.
What are you gonna do with the cheese?
I don't know. If I was being strategic, I should take the cheese.
I thought she was nice. All right.
Okay. Oh my.
I'm fully frozen. Kumara fries on, thin so that they cook.
I have a slight disadvantage. I don't cook in here, you know? I don't know where anything is. I'm not complaining. Marinate the chicken. I'm gonna prepare the vegetables. Oh my god.
The spices. How much time's gone past? Ooh, oh, okay.
I'm feeling pretty nervous. The last time I did a mystery box, Nadia was the judge.
Back on MasterChef, mystery box challenges were my favourite type of challenge.
Hopefully this tastes good. A bit of sour cream. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea.
Having fun so far?
This isn't as stressful as MasterChef. You have to constantly narrate what you're doing.
Yeah.
I just started ignoring. I felt so bad, but like when I was really stressed, I just wouldn't answer. I think adding the honey to the marinade was a bad idea because it's burning.
Snapper here. Corn. 10 minutes. Oh, look, we got so much time. Go.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what? That went fast? What? Guys, you need to give like more.
Yeah, you need to give more warning than that. Cool.
Might not be cooked. Is that cooked? Yes.
5, 4, 3,
Some more carrots for that.
step away from the bench.
And pickled onions. There we go.
High five.
Good job.
Shall we go see what the judges think?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I have made fish tacos, red pickled onions, and cheesy kumara fries. I like to think that the judges will like this dish. I think it ticks all the boxes.
I like the smoky flavor on fish.
And the pickled onions top it off.
Really good veggie content.
I was pretty happy with the ingredients I got. I'm glad that I got the cheese in the end.
Look, I did consider it for a second. I'm proud of myself for not stealing the cheese. I stayed true to my values. I made a soba noodle salad, hot honey, soy sauce and peanut, and very caramelized chicken.
I like the peanut sauce. Yeah, it's good veggie content.
What would be your pick, Danny?
Ooh.
So the judges have had their say, apparently. You guys can actually be the real judges, so you can decide who wins, Team Nadia or Team Alice.
Let us know in the comments.
Or both. Team Nadia, Alice.